Hi, Dino here with New England Home Finders. Let's talk about one of the most stressful parts of selling a home, the inspection negotiation. Because for a lot of sellers, this is the moment where emotions start running high. You've accepted an offer, you're feeling good, you're already thinking about your next move. And then the inspection report comes back. Suddenly there's a long list of items. The buyer starts asking questions, maybe requesting repairs, maybe asking for credits. And it can feel like they're saying your house is falling apart. But here's the truth. Most inspections are completely normal. Every home, even great homes, has inspection items. That's why inspections exist. The key is not panicking. The key is responding calmly and strategically. And that's where having the right agent really matters. So let me walk you through how I approach inspection negotiations with my sellers. Step 1, separate the real issues from the wish list. Not every inspection item deserves the same level of attention. There's a big difference between a legitimate safety concern and cosmetic preferences or minor maintenance items. For example, an electrical safety issue? That matters. A loose cabinet handle? Probably not a deal breaker. Sometimes buyers submit a very long list, hoping sellers will simply agree to everything. That doesn't mean you should. Our job is to evaluate what's actually important, what's reasonable, and what protects your bottom line. Because this stage is a negotiation, not a surrender. Step 2, don't agree to everything immediately. This is one of the biggest mistakes sellers make. They get nervous that the deal might fall apart, so they instantly say yes to every request. But that can cost you thousands unnecessarily. Instead, we slow the process down and review everything carefully. We look at what's truly worth addressing, what's excessive, what's cosmetic, and what the market conditions support. Because every situation is different. If your home had multiple offers and strong buyer demand, you may have more negotiating power. If the buyer's requests are unrealistic, we push back professionally. And sometimes buyers include items simply because their inspector noted them, not because they actually expect every repair to be done. That is why having a clear strategy really matters. Step 3, understand the difference between repairs and credits. A lot of sellers assume they always need to fix everything before closing. That's not always the best option. Sometimes offering a credit is actually cleaner and safer. Think about it. If you hire contractors during escrow, now you're dealing with schedules, invoices, delays, and potential complications. And sometimes buyers still aren't happy with the repair afterward. A credit can simplify the process. The buyer handles the work after closing, and everyone moves forward faster. But other times, making the repair does make sense, especially if the issue is simple, it's inexpensive, or it helps keep the transaction smooth and moving forward. There's no one-size-fits-all answer. The goal is choosing the approach that reduces risk, protects your equity, and keeps the closing on track. And finally, step 4, keep the emotions low and the communication professional. This step is absolutely huge for a successful sale. Real estate deals don't usually fall apart because of the inspection itself. They fall apart because communication becomes emotional. Sellers feel offended, buyers feel nervous, people start reacting instead of negotiating. A strong agent acts like a buffer. My job is to keep conversations calm, professional, and solution-focused so small issues don't become big problems. Because at the end of the day, both sides usually want the same thing, to get to the closing table successfully. And when inspection negotiations are handled the right way, most deals stay together. So if you're thinking about selling your home, this is exactly why preparation matters before you list. I like to walk my sellers through these conversations early, before surprises happen, so you know what to expect and how we'll handle it strategically if inspection issues come up. If you want, I'll explain my full inspection negotiation strategy before you even put your home on the market. That way you feel informed, prepared, and confident throughout the entire process. I'm Dino with New England Home Finders. If you want more information, let's have a conversation.